How to control the mirroring of hatches in Autocad. Solution. This feature is controlled by MIRRHATCH system variable. It controls the direction of hatch display for mirror command. By default, its value is 0. When its value is 0, the hatch display is not mirrored. When its value is 1, the hatch display is mirrored. See how it works. Here you can see we have created two rectangles to see the difference easily. Type MIRRHATCH and you can see its default value is 0. Now add the hatch pattern on upper rectangle. Now run mirror command. Select the hatch. Select line as first and second point for mirror line. Press enter. You can see that the hatch is not mirrored when value is 0. Type MIRRHATCH and change its value 1. Add the hatch pattern on lower rectangle. Now run mirror command and select the hatch. Select line as first and second point for mirror line. Press enter. You can see that the hatch is mirrored when value is 1. Similarly, you can see the difference easily on other hatch pattern. Add the hatch pattern on upper circle. Type MIRRHATCH and change its value 1. Now run mirror command and select the hatch. Select the line as first and second point for mirror line. You can see that the hatch is mirrored when value is 1. Add the hatch pattern on lower circle. Type MIRRHATCH and change its value 0. Now run mirror command and select the hatch. Press enter. You can see that the hatch is not mirrored when value is 0. Thanks for watching.